Good morning everyone. Myself Junior Sanjay Das with Ms. Sivas Sarkar, Technical Assistant Member of Electrical Department, GIS College of Engineering, Kollani, Nodia. So today I will tell about Basic Electrical Engineering Lab Experiment. The title of this experiment, Study of the Equivalent Circuit of a Single Phase Transformer. So I think you have learned this in previous class. Now coming to the object, to determine the parameters of the equivalent circuit of a single phase transformer. We have used the apparatus or transformer. This is the 1 kVA transformer. This is the primary side 110 and this is the secondary side 220. Next we have used ammeter. This is the ammeter, MI type of ammeter. Next we have used voltmeter. This is the MI type of voltmeter. And next we have used wattmeter. This is the digital type of wattmeter. And use variac. This is the variac, resistive type of variac. Now I have discussed the circuit diagram of this experiment. At first I have discussed open circuit test. This is the open circuit test circuit diagram and this is the variac. Phase terminal are connected to ammeter and after that connected wattmeter M side. M or C already sorted and L are connected positive terminal of transformer LV side and the LV side negative terminal are connected variac negative terminal and the voltmeter connected according to parallelly positive to positive, negative to negative. Next, now let's start. At first connect the circuit through connecting wire. Now variac positive terminal are connected with ammeter and ammeter to connected wattmeter M side. M or C are shorted and L side connect to transformer low voltage side, that's the primary side, and transformer primary negative side connect to variac negative side. And the wattmeter V terminal are connected negative terminal of the transformer and the voltmeter connect to parallel positive terminal to positive and negative to negative. Look here, this is the transformer. Transformer secondary side are open. That means 220 side are open. Now, before switch on, the varying the applied voltage in step 0 position. This is the step 0 position. Now switch on. Now supply increase in voltage of transformer and now I have set the rated voltage of the transformer 110. This is the 110. Now apply voltage 110, and as it is as current, showing the current, and power 27. Now this is the observation table, open circuit test observation table. Now collect, apply voltage 110, note down here, and apply current 0.85 and power input 26, and the same process of this short circuit. Now I have discussed the circuit diagram of the short circuit. This is the variac. At the same, these are phase are connected to ammeter, and M are C shorted, and L are connected transformer HB side. HB side transformer HB side are connected, and negative side of the HB are connected variac, and voltmeter are connected parallelly. Just look here, LV side are shorted. This is the LV side, this is the transformer LV side. Now change the circuit. This is the transformer LV side are shorted, and HV side are connected. Now complete the circuit diagram. Now supply on. At first we calculated the applied current. This is the total 1 kVA transformer, 1 kVA divided by applied voltage, that's means 4.5 rated current. This is the applied rated current 4.5. As it is as voltage 11 volt and power 50. Now write down here, this is a short circuit column, apply voltage 11 volt and current 4.5 before we have calculated, and power input 50. Now prepare data sheet. Thank you.